John Cena.
Call that impressive? Watch ECW tomorrow. Watch me destroy Tommy Dreamer to become ECW champion. Then you'll see impressive.
Is Tommy Dreamer on the verge of putting away Big Show?
Yeah, that would be a no.
On his first night back in his old stomping grounds, Big Show is once again ECW champion.
This represents a changing of the guard. It's time for ECW to take a stand. We need to fight back against SmackDown, against Raw, and show them we're not just as good as them, we're better. And we deserve a presence in the Champion of Champions match. A giant presence.
We are winners, Show, and we know other winners when we see them.
We'll stand by your side in this noble quest. We think Raw and SmackDown are a bunch of wussies anyway.
Cena, Triple H, prepare for ECW.
We thank you for tuning in to another edition of SmackDown. I'm Jim Ross, here alongside Taz in wonderful Seattle, Washington. You know, it rains a lot here in Seattle, but the Big Show sure can cause a storm here on ECW.
You think you know me?
Triple H defending the WWE Championship once again in this highly competitive match against Edge.
Edge knows how to win in the clutch. He's a pure pressure player. The title could change hands tonight.
Oh, jeez. Oh, and that was got it.
Oh, did you see that knee? with Big Show instead of ECW, I'd be concerned also. Oh man, how did he even take that?
He's in the driver's seat, and he knows it.
Oh! He's looking to do some serious damage right here.
He's shattering pedigree. He got a cover. One.
What a flurry of punches. Oh!
Good grief. What a series of strikes. This could be it. One. And he kicks out.
This could be three right here.
A hard right hand. And it goes running.
Whoa, look at this. Here's the pin. This could be it.
Three. The King gets the win. The Cerebral Assassin may be more dominant than ever before.
If there's anyone who's a WWE Hall of Famer in the making, it's him.
Oh no! Big Show's threats have come to fruition.
ECW is attacking the WWE champion.
These two may have bitten off more than they could chew, messing with the game.
Oh man, Triple H's own trademark sledgehammer comes back to haunt them.
Followed up with Morrison's signature Moonlight Drive. Wait! What are they doing with a sledgehammer? No!
Stop that. You don't desecrate the WWE championship like that. Ugh.
I cannot believe what we have just witnessed.
Welcome to Monday Night Raw, live from Cleveland, Ohio. Michael Cole, along with Jerry the King Lawler. Michael?
Just the man I wanted to see. You got it rough these days, Cena. Having to defend your championship almost every week. I'll do you a favor. I'll beat you so bad, you won't be able to compete tonight.
It
If you can barge in here and actually do that, then I don't deserve to be a champion. Let's do this. I guess Mark Henry didn't come alone.
My goodness. Superhuman power by Big Show. And he's pummeling John Cena. Oh my God, Cena's body was rocketed into the concrete floor by a giant choke slam. He needs immediate help. Somebody get back there.
He's not going to do the same thing Miz and Morrison did on SmackDown, is he? This went way beyond just making a point.
Big Show is absolutely sick.
Well, look who made their way back to our little neck of the woods.
ECW, we have to hand it to you. You did what nobody on Raw or SmackDown has been able to do to us. You came to our shows, beat us up, and destroyed our titles.
I'm no scientist, but I think the formula goes, for every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. That's why we're here. To prove Sir Isaac Newton right.
Now, we can stand here and talk about what we're gonna do to you, Big Show, or you can just get your big ass out here and take the beating you have coming to you.
Well, listen, Big Show.
Maybe you two don't realize, but there's a brand war going on. Mr. McMahon wanted competition, well, he got it. And we fired the first shots. You made ECW out to be worthless, so we made your titles worthless. Now you're here. For what? To start something you can't finish? You boys are outgunned. Allow me to demonstrate.
Look, Cena and Triple H are destined for the Hall of Fame, but how self-absorbed do you have to be to barge into ECW and think we wouldn't be prepared?
Well, ECW's ready, but are we truly ready for Cena and Triple H?
A nice one.
And there's the Irish whip.
A crazy shot.
He sensed that one coming. He's in complete control here, and he's going to enjoy this. Man, hammered like a railroad spot.
That did land flush, but it did connect.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, what a pounding. Oh no.
And the elbow rocks him. And the Irish whip.
He's gonna need a sling after this one. Slingshot using the ropes to heighten the motion.
And the point of that elbow connects.
Ooh, great shot. Point of the elbow. Power of Cena. Oh, there's a stiff right arm across the torso. He got folded up like a pretzel. That anatomy will never be the same. Ow.
Again. Oh, look at that. And that'll get this crowd fired up.
Cena and Triple H may have taken down some soldiers, but
Indianapolis, Indiana, and welcome to Monday Night Raw.
Not by a long shot. In fact, I hope he...
The following tag team contest is scheduled for one fall. And his partner, weighing in at 323 pounds, Kane.
What a match this should be. We have the former champion, the current champion, and perhaps the next champion.
Boy, when you say next champion, it's hard to put a finger on who that could be. Batista has a title shot this Sunday, but Jericho and Kane are waiting in the wings.
Look at Cena go. He's got him covered. And he's in there trying to get something going for his partner.
Oh my God! Talk about shattered dreams! And he gets leveled. Oh! He put all his weight behind that drop, and that was a hard, hard shot.
You saw that one coming.
Oh, and that's why you never trade punches with Cena. He's putting those educated feet to good use. Incredible counter. A grazing shot there.
Oh.
Wow, that axe handle had some force behind it. Oh, man.
It's almost as if Cena and Batista are trying to prove something to each other.
Well, it's obvious that the Animal and Cena are trying to outdo one another. That's a move that'll knock you out cold.
He desperately needs to make a tag here. The quick kick. And he's getting out of
whip. Oh, there it is.
Tonight they team up. But this Sunday, Cena and Batista will butt heads one more time.
You gotta figure that the winner will represent Raw in the Champion of Champions match at WrestleMania.
Just trying to goad his opponent into making a mistake here. Oh my, just raw, unmitigated power.
Oh, mama! That might have silenced at least a few of those voices at page 10. And he goes flying down to the concrete. Watch it. He looks fired up here.
What a reversal.
And that one hit with the force of a big rig. That'll cost him debt.
He thinks he has it.
1, 2, 3. They got it! I have to say that I'm surprised. Cena and Batista managed to hold it together.
There's mutual respect there, definitely. I don't think they'll be quite so cordial at No Way Out, however.
Especially when Mr. McMahon said whoever has the title after No Way Out will be in the Champion of Champions match.
No Way Out at